Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ishita. I welcome you all to my channel English with Ishita. This video is the continuation of the previous video which we have discussed in the previous week. That is action plan to speak English fluently and effortlessly. So if you haven't checked the previous lesson, if you haven't checked the previous video, you can check from the cards or I will give the link in the description box. You can check from there. So in this video we will talk about some different points that will lead you to speak English fluently. That will help you to improve your English fluency if you follow those tips regularly. And I will request you to stay connected till the very end of the video because in this video I will gonna discuss about some master tips and tricks that will help you to improve your English fluency. And I hope if you follow this action plan, your English will be improving day by day. This is very challenging thing, so you have to stay connected. You have to follow the all tips if you want to improve your English. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. And before starting, make sure you have subscribed to my channel for getting more this kind of English learning videos updates. So in the part 1 video, we have discussed about some points like to set a specific goals, to read storybooks, to figure out your problems, and to pay your time regularly by practicing English. So here we go. The first point is start thinking in English. That is very much important point if you want to get fluency in English. You must have to change your thought process into English, okay? You have to stop thinking in your mother tongue or your native language. If you want to speak in English, you have to think in English. So start thinking yourself in English from today. I know that's not very easy to start, but you have to practice regularly to make your brain to think in English specifically, not your native language. Your real fluency will happen when you stop translating conversations. This is the biggest step from learning English or to any other languages to just being an English speaker. Next point is don't study grammar too much because learning a language is based on studying and practicing mainly. Speaking English fluently isn't the same as knowing perfect English grammar. Fluency is about being able to communicate. As you keep practicing, you can learn plenty of grammar rules along with the way. So, just focus on your speaking fluency, not the grammar skills. Next point is to improve your English pronunciation. There is no miracle to improving pronunciation. You just need to learn the techniques, then practice. It's very simple. All about how to move your mouth, use your lips, tongues and thought. Okay? For English pronunciation, you should watch native speakers while they are talking. Observe them. That will help you to improve your English pronunciation. Or you can visit online dictionaries. From there, you can listen the pronunciation of the specific words. Next one, that is learn new phrases. Fluency is about able to speak without hesitation. That is called real fluency, to speak English confidently. If you learn English words once at a time, it will be very hard not to hesitate when constructing sentences. So you have to practice with regular phrases. For daily speaking phrases, you have to keep that on your mind to constructing sentences when you are speaking to someone. To improve your level of English and confidence speaking in English, you need to have a clear daily learning plan and study routine to help you improve all areas of English to enable you to speak English confidently and also without any hesitation. Many English learners want to improve their level of English, but unfortunately they do not know how. So in this part 1 and part 2, I have covered some unique tips and action plan that will definitely help you a lot to build up your English speaking power. Just follow these master hacks for at least 1 to 2 months I know that will really beneficial for you if you follow these action plans. So that's all I have for you today. If you like my content, if you like my video, please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family members who are also interested in English. And please subscribe to my channel for get notified when I post a new English learning videos. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep practicing.